Error 7. Welcome to this video. I'm sorry you're facing difficulties, but we are going to fix this error 7 super quick and easy. Let's start with explaining the error itself. Error 7 tells you that the return water temperature sensor is defect or not connected. The readings of the return water temperature sensor can be displayed by pressing the S key shortly and find C02 with the arrow keys. Now we know what the problem is, it's time to repair this error. Open the electric compartment and find the circuit board. On the circuit board are 8 white connectors. Every connector has a code. For this error, we need connector AI03. It is the third one from the left. Connection AI03 is the return water temperature sensor. Check the connection and the cable going to the sensor. Replace the sensor when all connections are okay. To find the sensor in the unit, please open the compartment at the side of the Opticlimate. The sensor is located between the heat exchanger and the water outlet. After you have managed this, please press and hold the R button to erase error 7 on your Opticlimate control panel. I hope all worked out well for you and that the error has now been resolved. Should you require any additional assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us.